The Dock Minimal is a one-of-a-kind tablet holder. With universal tablet fittings, the Dock Minimal can be used with nearly any tablet on the market today. Its design and function are simple yet so effective. With just a slide, you can be using the Dock Minimal with an iPad, a Samsung, or even a Kindle. The Dock Minimal also comes with multiple charger fittings, which enables you to charge your tablet while it's stationary. What gives the Dock Minimal its advantage over other tablet docks are the multiple viewing angles. This is achieved with the magnetized kickstand and its various angle fittings. And last but not least is the stylus pen that is hidden within the kickstand. Drag it out of the kickstand and let your creativity control your actions. The Dock Minimal is an extremely versatile tool that we love using, and we think you will too.